Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and system updates so nothing else blocks Direct 3D. First, check that your GPU model lists feature level 12.0 support. This prevents wasted steps. Next, update Windows to the latest cumulative release and reboot to ensure API components are current. Then download the latest driver from your GPU vendor and choose a clean install when offered. This replaces faulty driver remnants. Once done, you'll be ready to run a simple DirectX diagnostic to verify the baseline. Now you diagnose and repair deeper issues that cause the D3D feature level 12.0 error. Run dxdiag and examine the display tab for reported feature levels and driver notes. This tells you whether DirectX sees 12.0. If runtimes or DLLs are missing, reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and the DirectX end-user runtimes. These restore required libraries. If drivers still fail, use Display Driver Uninstaller to fully remove old drivers. Then install the vendor package and test. Finish by validating application and system settings so the fix sticks. Ensure the game or app is running as expected. 32-bit wrappers or compatibility settings can force lower feature levels, so disable compatibility mode. Check Windows Power Plan and BIOS settings for PCIe and integrated GPU priorities, because throttling or wrong primary GPU can block 12.0. If issues persist after these final steps, swap in a known good GPU or collect your dxdiag and driver logs and contact vendor support. That one troubleshooting tip often speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.